How to turn on branded content on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to sponsor it your branded on TikTok. It's so easy and quick. So let's jump in. First thing, go to your TikTok. Now all you need to do is click on post icon. Click on next after editing the video and click on more options. Now click on branded content. And all you need to do now is turn on branded content to sponsor your uh, brand. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.